welcome to our World Championship pay-per-view action. Alongside my partner, Teddy Atlas, I'm Joe Tessitore. So glad you're with us as we welcome you to the Thomas & Mack Center, just off the Vegas Strip, home to this championship fight. 12 rounds of welterweight action. Great atmosphere here tonight. You talk to everybody ringside, and they expect this one to be a barn burner. Shotgun's got his eye on the prize. Look at that focus and determination during his ring walk. Pacquiao's the kind of fighter who you just know has no self-doubts. Look at the way he's making his way down to the ring right now. You can see it in his eyes.
All right, fellas, let's have a good, clean fight. Touch them up and let's go.
Round number one, scheduled for the championship distance of 12. I wonder if the knockout streak will continue here. Shotgun's been able to do it throughout his whole career. Knockout man after man, they line up in front of him.
He wastes no time. He goes right out of that corner with one thing in mind: get rid of that guy.
Blocks away that headshot. We know what Pacquiao can do with that big left hand of his, but his opponent can also bring the thunder.
Yeah, sooner or later you're going to get tested in those areas, in the area of chin. Manny knows he has a good chin, but the key here is not to show it, not to expose it too much.
Good flush shot upstairs. And you can see he wanted to do that as he holds on there. Halfway through round number one.
Watch the hook. Watch the hook. Come on.
He's got his guard up really well that time, and it protects his head. Pacquiao's got to deal with a cut on his cheek right now. The good news is it's below the eye, but still, it could get nasty as the fight progresses. Good solid 1-2 by Manny Pacquiao. And now just wasting everybody's time holding on. Manny Pacquiao's covered with his blood right now. That cut just opened up something fierce.
And you know, you wonder about the psychological damage or potential damage of that. You know, does that affect him where he gets a little down? Does that affect...
That's a clean shot, able to get in with the right hand. Shotgun's got to do a better job. He is getting rocked. Able to get away from that headshot with the block.
It's okay. It's all right. I need you to move this round, all right? Now move. Now he's coming in, swing. I think you're still hurt. He's going to look to finish you off. You got to breathe. Just breathe. Relax. How you feeling out there?
Here we go. Round two is underway. Pacquiao's got a little hop in his step as he's ready to start this round. Jab and a straight right by Shotgun. That's a big uppercut that just crashed home. He got hit right there, but he also gave one. Solid effort by Shotgun. Good step back counter punch there.
Beautiful.
Able to counter quickly he pulls the trigger on the hook after that block. That is exactly what the corner wanted to see. A good combination punch by Shotgun. Halfway through this round, well-placed counter punch by Shotgun. What a great job. He gave one right back in return. Nice work by Manny Pacquiao. He took a shot, but he gives one of his own. A left hand scores. Parries the punch, comes back with the hook. Shotgun's putting his punches together now. That's a nice combination. Very clever move there. A little defense turns to offense. The counter punch by Shotgun. Pacquiao's absorbing a hook. And we come to the end of round number 2.
Come on.
Pacquiao's head has turned into one big target for his opponent. Teddy, he cannot get out of the way of this attack.
No, he acts like a guy who gets insulted if you miss him.
Scored well up top. A headshot blocked.
Move your head.
Takes one, but gives one. Good work by Shotgun. Really good work right there, landing the 2 punches in sequence by Shotgun. Shotgun's doing a really nice job here. I mean, putting his punches together. This is what you're supposed to look like as an offensive fighter.
Yes, it is, especially when you have a guy in front of you putting the earmuffs on. You know, you cover up the way that his opponent is. You're supposed to put them together. 1 or 2 are going to be blocked. But when you put them together like that, they're going to get through.
And coming upon the halfway mark of this 3-minute round. See, that's the work they want to see with the right hand by Shotgun. Took a shot, now he gives a left. Very clean offense from defense by Manny Pacquiao. Shotgun showing you that sublime skill right now with that 2-punch combo. Oh, that's a big hook right there. Not much action as he just ties up. How about a return? He is not in good, and yet another big shot comes in. He goes down. Oh, he may be close here. Can he survive the round? Pacquiao's back up, but is he back in the fight?
We're going to find out.
Oh, a big shot comes home for him. He goes down in the later stages of this round.
All right. Very nice. How you feel? Good?
We got it.
All right, very nice. You need to finish with the hook. Finish with the hook. It's easy. It's there. It's right there. Just like we practiced in the gym.
Calm down now. Just calm down. Just breathe. Breathe.
Well, let's look at Teddy's scorecard through 3 rounds. Manny Pacquiao's coming out to fight this round after being knocked down in the previous round. Teddy, any idea? Do you think he's recouped enough here?
Well, we're going to find out very quickly by looking at his legs. You're going to look downstairs just like you look downstairs in the basement of a house to see whether or not those bricks are in place or whether or not some of the mortar has kind of disappeared and the bricks are a little loose. You want to see if those legs are stable, if they're firm.
That is Boxing 101. A nice, crisp combination by Shotgun. Shotgun thump by a left hand. Well, that's the classic wet noodle foundation right there. He's on wobbly legs.
Yeah, and it's not al dente. It's really, really wet noodles.
Very nice work from both men. They each got a shot in. Oh, he is stunned. He could go down. See, that's what you want from his left hand. That's exactly what it should be doing, that left hand by Manny Pacquiao. More and more punishment is being doled out. Pacquiao's face is absorbing, and it's not holding up well.
It looks like it's sunset right here on his evening.
Shotgun stunned and staggered. What a big shot. How about that? He goes from being the victim to handing out the punishment. Down he goes, but he's going to continue on, beating the count. He has found his groove with this right hand. There you go. And now he's targeting upstairs. He is swinging for the fences, trying to get his man after being hurt himself. Scores with the combo to the head.
Let's go. The fight is too close. You hear me? It's too fucking close. We don't want this to go to the judges' scorecards, right?
Shotguns reach that fork in the road now. You get a moment to breathe, a moment to try to clear your head after being knocked down, and it's up to your mind, your body, your disposition as to how do you react and go forward. Oh, he turns it over right into a hook. Pacquiao's not jabbing that much right now. That's got to help out his opponent.
Yeah, you know, that's like giving him a free one, because now his opponent doesn't have to worry as much when he walks in. No jab to keep him out. He's going to see the other punches coming so much easier when there's not a jab covering them.
Good combination, hooking to the body with the left, and then going up top with the right.
Come on, stay away from
Nice strike after catching one by Manny Pacquiao. Comes right back at him with a left hand.
Keep moving. You got to see that coming now. Come on.
Nice two-punch combo by Shotgun. Oh, things open, big shot. How is he going to survive this? Once again, he hits the deck.
He's going to have to find a way.
One, two, three, four, five. And it's all over. Pacquiao's not going to hear from those judges. He's a knockout victim. Shotgun's your winner, and that means still champion of the world.
A flawless performance.